Hey guys, what's up? I'm wanting to do a little review on this AquaTru under sink reverse osmosis water filter. So just a little thing before I get started. This will remove lead, chlorine, fluoride, PFAs, and a whole lot more. So anyways, this is my tank here. And then I'm not sure, I'm sorry for all of the sort of stuff underneath my kitchen sink, but as you can see back there, I have the pre-carbon, the reverse osmosis, and then the VOC carbon filter in there. I did have a plumber hook this one up, but I have had in a different house, my husband hook it up. He works in finance. he's not versed in like under sink plumbing, but he figured it out. So pretty easy to do. But this one I did have a plumber hook it up. So it also comes with this. This is what my faucet looks like. So it goes really nicely with the rest of my kitchen. You could probably use any sort of little spigot or faucet that you want. But this is what it looks like. Really solid in here. But yeah. So the reason that I got this is because I am super particular with my drinking water. I can't ever drink drinking water, like normal water from like a restaurant. It just tastes disgusting. I taste like I'm drinking chlorine. Anyways, so to say I'm super particular is like an understatement, but this is the best water. Oh my gosh, it's so good. I really love the AquaTru, brand, which falls under the Ideal Living brand. I have their air filters, obviously their water purifier, and I just love it. So these filters you can change them out. As you can see, we have the dates on them that we labeled, but they change out, I believe it's every either 6 months, year, or 2 years, depending on the filter. So anyways, I just wanted to share that with you so you could see what they look like. But everything's really quality, really nice. Yeah, we love it.